It is very good to have events like this which help people network and which increases the growth of the industry as a whole. I find this very, very useful for that. And the advantage of being a hosted buyer is that perhaps that is an extra incentive for people like me to come in here. There are already a lot of other such trade fairs which happen across. And being a hosted buyer and someone actually taking care of some aspect of the travel and helping it definitely does help and provides an incentive for me to turn up here.
I like the online diary. So this helped us pre-organizing the meeting rather. We knew whom we are meeting. It was more specific, we exactly knew what we are going to do for the first day, for the second day, for the third day. It's all in place. Excellent.
It is helping me a lot because I did around 30 meetings online which are confirmed, and I'm doing it properly.
I think for this year's OTM, basically there are many tourism boards available, Rwanda is there, there's Kenya, so the contracting is easy and the response is also wonderful from there, and they're being very supportive also.
It is very good to explore business and meet all the buyers and sellers as well. It's a very good platform, and my heartiest thanks to OTM team.
It was very fruitful, and you see a lot of people with innovative ideas, moreover with different streamlines, like not just the regular tours. They are coming here for they're exploring other destinations, and equivalently not just from seller's perspective, even from the buyer's perspective, there are a lot of people asking and expecting this time for new destinations, which was something great I found here.
OTM is something different from others. It's such a good buyers we are getting, so we had lots of good experience for in our business.
The experience is wonderful. I must say that it is very well organized, and I have got to actually pre-schedule my meetings and spend quality time with the sellers. So that actually helps me rather than just going stand to stand and figuring out who next to meet. The planning diary has actually helped me on that.
My experience here at OTM Mumbai has been really good. People we've been meeting have given us a lot of positive energy back, and the problems that we are solving in our service is actually connecting with them very well.
As OTM is really very famous, well marketed, so you have a lot of travel agents, hosted buyer from all across India. Even I see the participation is increasing from the industry from India as well as outbound. So it's really doing very well.
It is fantastic because I didn't know the coverage is so wide, the footfall is so high, the enthusiasm is so enticing, and I met new buyers, connected with them on one-on-one. I think I take back a lot.
Well, it seems fabulous. We find lots of suppliers here, let it be hoteliers, different countries, even local tourism as well. It's fabulous.
What makes OTM unique is all of us come here to make business or to earn business. So the best part of it is, we get to meet a lot of new people and as well our old business clients. So it's always good to have a personal connect and to establish a stronger relationship with them.
I think it's a nice mix. It's, as the big travel trade events is a nice mix for us. It becomes relevant because we end up meeting, we end up seeing what is the pulse of the market. So for us, it's more about just gauging what's doing well, what's in, what's not. And eventually that's something that drives consumer interest and consumer demand. So OTM helps us keep a pulse on the market.